things I love most about being here at Gaston Motorcycle Works is the backstory on the motorcycles that we get in for service. Pretty much anybody that you ask about the motorcycle that they're riding, they'll be able to give you a big long story about it, and usually it's relatively cool, especially if it's a vintage motorcycle. The particular story here is with this bike. It's a CB450. I believe it's a 74. The customer bought it with his father, and the intention was to rebuild it in their garage and do a restoration on it. In the time that they did a little bit of work on it, but not as much as they had liked, and the father wound up dying of some cause, and they never got to finish it. So the customer brought it into us to do a restoration, and this is going to be a ground-up restoration. Every single piece of this motorcycle will be made to be new, but we will use all of the original parts on it. This is a fantastic thing that we get to do in the shop here, is be a part of amazing projects that complete or add to an amazing backstory on a motorcycle. We hope that you'll enjoy being a part of it.